When I was in med school,
Fourth year medical student ko, siya first year medical student. Kato na time na ay magpakulo ang eskwelahan ba? Midnight.
mayroong dating game. So parang katuwaan lang, they asked me to be the searcher ata yan.
Timing, gikuha ko contestant.
Eventually, siya yung nanalo.
Timing, ni daog ko.
But it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend.
Pagkita na ko siya, sa akong mind, kita ko iba pa.
First impression ko sa kanya, very quiet na boy next door ang type.
And through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your every...
Supposedly, we will have a date. Clerk siya that time. He has to go back to the hospital kasi duty siya that time. We will just postpone the date and we will find time kung kailan kami magde-date. So we exchange numbers.
Katawanan pag ito kaya ang first, mali pag yung number ang nahatag.
Parang nag-research siguro siya kung anong yung number ko.
Pagaman later siyang friend, nakuha na ko tinuod.
That I'm your man, and I get to kiss your baby just because I can, whatever comes our way.
About a year kami na puro text.
Text. Ito naging amigo-amigo.
Pa-end na ng second year med school. Yun, nag-start na siya. He started courting me.
Sinagot niya ako, January yun January.
It's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
I will promise to love you for the rest of my life. Promise you that I will be a good wife, at the same time a good mother to our future children. I really thank God that He gave you to me at the right time, at the right moment. And I can't really imagine a life without you.
Han, ma-promise ko lang sa'yo na I will always be here for you and you can always count on me. Love you.
You touched my heart and the feeling never changes. I'm crazy for, lonely for, I adore you. Crazy for, craving more, I adore you.
I pray na you always stay focused sa inyong marriage and kanang always communicate to each other lang. You always keep open inyong communication.
Then, alam ko na gusto mo talagang magpakasal by the age 27. So now it's coming true, kahit 28 ka na, at least mahabol. And so I wish you both a lot of kids. Hayaan mo yung figure, okay lang yan. Babalik yan, ilalay po natin yan. Tandaan nyo, andito lang kami parate when you need us, your friends.
Kuya Wesley, Ate Dana, I wish you the best. Sana maging solid yung pagsasama nyo.
Kung meron kayong problems, always turn to God. Alagaan nyo talaga sa mga sarili nyo.
I just wish na kung kayo na lang dalawa, at the end of the day, you will find security in each other's arms.
Marriage will always be a work in progress. Not when you're 25 years old, you can say that you're already done with your marriage, that both of you are stable with your marriage. Both of you have to work on it.
Wesley, I know you're very lucky guys to have Dana, and I hope you'll take good care of Dana. And to Dana, best wishes, and I know you're happy and we're happy for you.
Best wishes, Dane. Wishing you
a happy married life.
Both of you hindi kayo mahihirapan mag-adjust with each other kasi alam ko naman si Wesley is a good, will be a good husband also to Dana. Wesley, good luck and congratulations, and Dana, best wishes.
Dan, Wes, wala na akong ibang masabi kasi nasabi na nila lahat.
Take care of Dana. I know she will take care of you also.
May you last forever as a couple, and congratulations sa inyong dalawa for finding each other.
Here's to a good life ahead of you.
Life won't always be a bed of roses for both of you, but I think you'll make it through kasi you really make a good couple. Good luck and congrats.
Congratulations sa inyo.
Congratulations. A great life together as a couple.
Wesley and Dana, congratulations from the Obi family.